Hiccups occur when the diaphragm spasms involuntarily, often triggered by eating too quickly or drinking carbonated beverages. Various factors include overeating, sudden temperature changes, excitement or stress, gastroesophageal reflux, and certain medical conditions. Hiccups happen when the diaphragm suddenly contracts, interrupting our breath. Common triggers include eating too fast, drinking carbonated drinks, and temperature changes. To minimize hiccups, try taking smaller bites, chewing thoroughly, and sipping beverages slowly. Hiccups happen when the diaphragm contracts involuntarily, leading to a quick intake of breath that is interrupted by the vocal cords. To help prevent hiccups, try keeping meal portions moderate, chewing food well, and sipping drinks slowly.